In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove the Windows Insider build and return to the stable version of Windows 11. If you've been testing early features through the Windows Insider program and things are starting to feel a bit buggy or unstable, moving back to the regular stable release is a good idea. Before we begin, I strongly recommend you back up your important files, just in case something goes wrong during the process. Use an external drive or a trusted cloud service so your documents, photos, and work files are safe. Now, on your Windows 11 device, start by opening the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings, or simply pressing the Windows key plus the letter I on your keyboard. Once Settings is open, look at the left-hand side and click on Windows Update. This is where all Update and Insider-related options are managed. Inside Windows Update, look for an option called Windows Insider Program. Click that, and you'll see the current status of your device in the Insider program, including which channel you're on. To leave the program, you'll want to look for an option that says something like, Stop getting preview builds, or Unenroll this device. Go ahead and select that. Depending on your current build, you may see an option to unenroll your device when the next major version of Windows releases, or to immediately revert using a clean installation. If you see a toggle or button that lets you stop getting Insider builds on the next release, turn that on. This tells Microsoft that, as soon as a stable build that's newer than your current Insider build is available, your device will move back to the standard public version. If your system offers a recovery option to go back to a previous build, you can also access that by going to Settings, then System, and then Recovery. There you may see a Go Back button under Recovery Options. If it's available, clicking that lets you roll back to the previous version of Windows, which is often the stable release. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, and don't turn off your PC during the process. Once you've unenrolled and either rolled back or waited for the next stable build to install, your device will no longer receive Insider preview updates. From then on, you'll only get the regular, fully tested Windows 11 updates, giving you a more reliable and consistent experience.